Today we have a major development in the crypto market that investors are watching closely. Bitcoin just surged after President Donald Trump publicly threw support behind a key cryptocurrency bill in the United States. Political support like this can have a significant impact on market sentiment, and many investors are now asking whether this could be the start of another major move for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. Let's break down what actually happened and why it matters. According to recent reports, Bitcoin surged to around $74,000 after President Trump voiced support for the Clarity Act, a proposed piece of legislation designed to bring clearer rules to the crypto industry. The Clarity Act aims to define whether different cryptocurrencies should be regulated as securities or commodities, something the industry has been debating for years. Regulatory uncertainty has long been one of the biggest obstacles for crypto adoption in the United States. So when investors see political momentum toward clearer rules, markets often react quickly. Trump also criticized major banks for slowing progress on crypto legislation and called for cooperation with the digital asset industry. This political backing helped boost optimism across the market. Bitcoin jumped, and other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana also saw gains as investors reacted to the news. At the same time, institutional activity is continuing to grow. Large investment firms and funds have been increasing their exposure to crypto-related assets, which is another factor supporting market momentum. But before we go further, real quick, one of the most important things in crypto is security. If you're holding digital assets, protecting your private keys and wallet access is critical. That's why many users recommend using the best wallet app as a way to manage and secure your crypto. The app allows you to store and manage multiple cryptocurrencies while maintaining control of your private keys. Instead of leaving assets on centralized exchanges, many investors prefer self-custody solutions that give them full ownership over their funds. If you want to check it out, you can find the best wallet link in the description or the pinned comment. Now let's get back to the market reaction. Bitcoin's move above $73,000 shows how quickly sentiment can change when regulatory news shifts in a positive direction. However, analysts caution that macroeconomic risks and market volatility still remain. Bitcoin has experienced major swings recently, and some experts believe the rally could still face short-term resistance. Even so, the broader takeaway from this news is important. Clearer crypto regulation could open the door for more institutional participation, more innovation in the United States, and potentially stronger long-term adoption. And when political leaders openly support the industry, markets tend to notice. Another area that some investors are watching right now is early-stage crypto projects. One project that has been getting attention recently is Maxi Doge, which is currently running a presale. According to the project website, the token is priced at roughly $0.000 to $8 per token, and the presale has already raised several million dollars. Maxi Doge positions itself as a meme coin focused on the culture of high-energy crypto traders. Like many presale projects, a significant portion of the token supply is allocated toward marketing and ecosystem development to help build early momentum. Of course, early-stage projects and meme coins come with significantly higher risk than established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. So if you decide to explore opportunities like this, make sure to do your own research and understand the risks involved. If you want to learn more about the Maxi Doge presale, you can also find the link in the description. So what does all of this mean for the crypto market moving forward? Bitcoin's surge shows how sensitive crypto markets are to regulatory developments and political signals. If momentum continues behind legislation like the Clarity Act, it could remove some of the uncertainty that has held back crypto companies and investors for years. But markets will still be watching closely to see whether these policy discussions actually turn into real regulatory changes. For now, Bitcoin's recent rally is a reminder that news, politics, and investor sentiment can all move the crypto market very quickly. And with institutional adoption growing and regulation evolving, the next phase of the crypto market could look very different from the last one. If you want to stay updated on the biggest crypto stories and market developments, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And let me know in the comments what you think. Do you believe political support and clearer regulation will push Bitcoin even higher? Or do you think the market still has more volatility ahead? Thanks for watching.